8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, and liftoff of Space Shuttle Atlantis, a final visit to enhance the vision of Hubble into the deepest grandeur of our universe.
Bypass across the board, Scooter, no action.
Houston now controlling, Atlantis on its way. Atlantis on its way, all three engines now throttling down as the vehicle passes through the area of maximum dynamic pressure.
Atlantis, Houston, no action on the MPS H2 out P.
Our quest for space begins here at the edge of the Earth. Behind every launch lies decades of research, hundreds of scientists, engineers, and astronomers, all with a common goal: to discover what lies beyond the horizon of our planet. Into the unknown, we must ask ourselves, are we, as a species, ready to leave Earth? Are we evolved enough to survive in a world we were not born into? Is humanity really ready to become a space species? We are already thinking about colonizing other planets, but we cannot escape our own internal struggles. Will we, as a species, survive? In the beginning, the human mind was trapped within the boundaries of the Earth, in search of survival. First, we learned to control fire, to shape tools, to live in communities. But the true strength of man has always lain in his ability to dream. Not he is satisfied with what he has, but he is constantly looking for something new. We started to expand. Between wars, between insecurities, we developed new technology. Only with the development of computers, everything that was unrealizable until then became a possibility. Technology opened the doors of space for us. We started sending samples to Mars, to Jupiter, to Saturn, and the progress did not stop there. Artificial intelligence, more powerful than all of the human minds. It began to take over data analysis, to predict events, to learn from each new data. It becomes our partner, but also a challenge. As we've expanded into space, we've also expanded the boundaries of what's possible. Robotics, autonomous drones, artificial intelligence, they are now our allies in this quest. But as with all great technologies, the question is, are we ready for control? Will we be able to maintain a balance between our progress and possible consequences? Although science has progressed, humanity is still struggling with itself. Wars, conflicts, the struggle for resources and territory. All this remains inevitably present at a time when technologies have allowed us to conquer space. The question arises, why still can't we achieve peace here on our planet? Conflicts between nations, terrorist organizations, cyber warfare are all struggles that are fundamentally the same human problems, albeit shaped by new technologies. When we look into space, it may be easier for us to forget about these conflicts. But in order to survive, we must, let's face them, in order to leave Earth, we must first heal our inner division. Wars are often a struggle for resources, for power. And as we develop the technology that may allow us to become a spacefaring species, I wonder what our real motives are. Are we truly striving for the greater good? Or is it another way of recognizing our darkest instinct? In order to leave Earth, we must overcome another great challenge surviving outside it:
Mars, places on the moons of other planets. In the future, people could live in colonies on distant worlds. But this will require technology, resources, and, most importantly, readiness to face a new life. Imagine a few centuries ago, no nation had the means to travel into space. Today, we think that one day we will be able to colonize other planets. But it will not be easy. We are headed for new worlds, but we still carry with us all those old, deep-seated problems we carried from Earth. Perhaps our efforts in space are only a reflection of what we are trying to achieve here on Earth. We have survived wars, developed technology that leads us to new worlds. But the real challenge lies within ourselves. To become a space species, we must first learn how to survive with each other, because in order to go there, we must first learn how to stay here.